The craze for engineering at that point of time was really high. I got a chance to get a degree in computer science. Nitish Kumar, the current chief minister, and for the last 20 years he's been the chief minister, is from my college as well.
प्लेसमेंट से पहले हम गंगा नहा कर आते थे.
Got admitted into an NIT Patna. Everyone and anyone that I knew about was focused on getting the engineering done, and I was part of the same race.
You moved to Patna for like your family moved to Patna.
No, I moved just for my engineering. in
Right. Okay.
2000.
So engineering, you went for your engineering. Tell me, by
Yeah.
the way, you were saying कि engineering कि why engineering? Did all most of your classmates were they focused on engineering and medical or uh, 90s में तो ये होता था, which I know. But 2005, 6, 7, I thought that people are more looking at diverse opportunities. Is that right?
I think metros were opening up a lot more quickly than tier two cities. Dehradun still was a tier two city, and the craze for engineering at that point of time was really high. Everyone and anyone that I knew about was focused on getting the engineering done, and I was part of the same race. I gave my entrance exams, got admitted into an NIT Patna. I got a computer science branch there. I think CS was one of the few branches which everyone was seeking at that point of time, and I was no different. I got a chance to get a degree in computer science.
So did you prepare for IIT and then go to NIT thinking कि, or
Yeah,
was
I
there
did.
a different reason?
No, I prepared really well. I think I had done put in a lot of hard work. At our time, there was what 7 or 8 IITs, so there was still the initial IITs which were there. We had two exams, the prelims and mains. So we still had those. AIEEE was a separate exam. So but I didn't really do that well in the IIT exam. Didn't go as planned. But AIEEE rank was decent, because of which I got a computer engineering in NIT Patna. And
Wow.
I thought I'll go in and join the college and then retry for an IIT next year.
Hmm.
But once I went in there, I think the journey just took a different course. And
सबकी
I,
वही कहानी है. सबकी वही कहानी है. NIT Patna, is this like Patna के outskirts में है? Is it in the center of town? How is that?
it is in the center of the town. The college was established in, I think, 1852 as the one of the first engineering colleges that British set up in India,
Hmm.
and it was more for civil and survey. So that was the so civil engineering and civil engineers from our college have had really good legacy. In fact, Nitish Kumar, the current chief minister, and for the last 20 years he's been the chief minister, is from my college as well.
Hmm.
He is, I think, civil engineer is, or maybe a mechanical. I don't exactly remember,
Hmm.
but he is from the same college. So the college has a lot of history. It's right in the center and or the old town of Patna, right on the banks of River Ganga. So we used to take the boat rides across the river whenever we wanted to have that fun time or spend some peaceful time around the river. So
You said boat rides. I was thinking that you were saying we कि placement से पहले हम गंगा नहा कर आते थे.
नहीं, we never.
या एग्जाम से पहले.
Engineering exams, I think they have a fun of their own for sure. I think everyone could relate to that. But definitely, I think I have really fond memories from the 4 years that I spent there.